In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in Figma. If you've ever felt your canvas getting cluttered or found yourself selecting the wrong thing over and over, groups are about to become your best friend. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can follow along as we organize and streamline your workflow. Groups in Figma let you bundle multiple layers into a single tidy unit. Think of them like a simple folder that keeps related items together. When you group elements, you can move, scale, and style them as one, which makes managing complex layouts much faster and more reliable. To create a group, select the objects you want to keep together. You can drag a selection box across them or click each object while holding Shift. Once they're selected, right-click and choose Group Selection, or use the shortcut Ctrl-G on Windows or Ctrl+G on Mac. You'll see a new group appear in the Layers panel, and your selection will now behave like a single object on the canvas. Inside the Layers panel, groups act like collapsible folders. Click the arrow next to the group to expand or collapse its contents, which is perfect for keeping your file clean and easy to navigate. As a simple organizational tip, give your group a clear name so you can find it quickly later. When you need to move elements, select the group and drag it. Everything inside travels together, maintaining their relative positions. Resizing works the same way. Grab a corner handle to scale the group, and all contained elements will resize proportionally. This is great for maintaining consistent spacing and balance as your layout changes. If you need to tweak a single element without breaking the group, just double-click on the item directly on the canvas to drill into it, or select it from the Layers panel under the group. This lets you edit text, adjust colors, or nudge positions without ungrouping or losing structure. You can also apply effects to the entire group at once. With the group selected, adjust properties like opacity, fills, or drop shadows in the right-hand panel. This is especially useful for adding a unified look, such as dimming a whole section or casting a shadow beneath a cluster of cards, without applying the same effect to each layer individually. And when it's time to break things apart, ungroup with Ctrl+Shift+F on Windows or Ctrl+Shift+F on Mac, or right-click and choose Ungroup. Your items return to individual layers exactly where they were. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.